I got this Givenchy Rouge for my birthday, and I'm not into red, but look how velvety and pretty the packaging is. And I want to see how it looks on my lips. How do you open this? Okay. I'm about to go fishing, so I ain't really going nowhere. So let's see. Slides on good. Okay. I don't know, y'all. I might be wearing red for a little while. Let's see. It's giving grown woman. Thank you, sister. Period. Life out here, son. Say no game. Say no game, Chase. What do you think this is? A game? I'm not playing. Look what I got, Chase. Yay! And we got some strawberries and blackberries. Looking like a picnic. Most definitely looking like a picnic.
Mom, you should look at this.
White birds are all white birds.
How are you able to tell?
Look at the fish.
How do you know? Where are the stripe balls?
Huh?
Where are the stripe balls?
The balls are striped.
Well, I don't even see.
Okay, girl, say something.
Huh?
When I called, they said, when I came in, they said already. What is happening, Samurai? Well, do we have a private room or something? Welcome everyone to another vlog. I am here with my family at Samurai using our birthday coupons. Y'all better get those birthday coupons. I register with every store, every company because I need it. So $30 off dinner. So $30 off dinner. For my son, 30. For myself, 30. I don't even know if you guys can hear me. You good? I just see my extra onions. The chef is
Miranda, all the people. Yes. All the people. I didn't see. You gotta put here. Yeah, double yum, right? Okay. Okay, everybody? All right. Thank you. Everybody yum, okay. All right. Very good, thank you. That's easy.
Well, he likes the red sauce.
No, he has no choice.
No, but he said he wanted to.
He changed my, he doesn't yum yum. Oh, yeah, double yum. Everything double.
I asked him.
You want that sauce? You're so petty, girl. She is so petty.
Everything you want to know.
Until all their food is on the table. Not me. As my food comes, I eat it. Nice and fresh, huh? What am I having what? Nice and fresh.
I should have done it, yeah.
I knew you'd take care of that. Thank you. Happy birthday.
Thank you.
Happy birthday.
What day was your birthday? December 23rd.
Many more. I'm the 20th, she's the 30th.
Wow.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
You just couldn't wait, could you?
All right, Samara, we got 3 very special birthdays in the house this evening. Everybody can clap along.
Tambourine is a very nice touch.
And she takes my ice cream.
Hold on now. Don't make that guy.
You don't want it. And say, I don't
But
want
I
it.
had the scallops today.
Yeah,
Pull left over, taking it.
I'm looking at them. They look good. I should have got them.
I am full left.
I wanted to show that.
Very nice, very nice.
We had the Yakameen soup.
Good morning, good people. It is early.
You was cooking on the spot.
It is my friend's birthday. So we're going to Honey Uninhibited, which is a restaurant I've been trying to get to for brunch. Supposedly, they have a very good soul food brunch. soul food breakfast brunch. So we're going to head over there to see what they have, and I'm definitely going to vlog because I want to know what they have. I've seen pictures, but I need to taste it. So let's go. We're heading over to Honey Uninhibited. Park right there. Open the trunk. Oh. That's my other friend. She thinks she's in charge. Okay. That's my other one. She thinks she's in charge. Anyway. All right, guys. So let's head over to Honey Uninhibited. See you in a bit.
I ain't walking a pair of heels.
Honey Uninhibited. Omelet, but instead of toast, I'm getting fruit.
Okay, it's the cake. And these. For your vegetables. How many?
Wait, do it again.
Listen, if you're gonna do this YouTube thing, you have to get it together. Yes, you do. You need to get it together, woman.
Oh, Lord, dude. Cherry be like, Mom,
You're not even recording.
I'm like, what do you mean? Okay, one more time. We don't gotta say all of that. We can just cheers.
All right.
Cheers.
And that's for prosperity, abundance, and
Curve.
all the above.
Heard. Because the video is definitely on you. Happy birthday, Tertia.
Thank you.
It tastes better that way? Come in here. I'll be quick. Okay. Okay, I got my little omelet. My little French toast. Carissa got her little 4 shrimp and grits for $25. Tasha, what you got?
Here's the chicken sandwich. Chicken sandwich.
And fries.
And fries. Chicken sandwich. French toast.
Is that the creme de la creme French toast like I got? Yeah.
Yes.
I need to taste that.
And what you got? Chicken and waffle?
Baby chicken and waffle. Some bacon and a side of grits. They ain't bring me yet.
No fruit or nothing?
Nah.
No vegetables? Okay. Let's see what it tastes like. Alright, let's see what this food tastes like. I don't like this tomato on here. I didn't ask for tomatoes. I mean, I appreciate it. I guess they gave me
And they
tomatoes.
season. And they season.
What, the grits? They taste better than your grits?
Yeah, we do.
Ma'am. Let me get my cousin this because she don't got no fruit. You gonna eat these strawberries?
No.
Chris, you want some of my French toast? Okay, her almond a little butter. You gonna put some of this on it? You like it? What I mean, yeah? Now the way she was. That's her? That look like, oh. she was salivating about this food. This girl done been already.
No.
That's a shame.
You probably got that FOMO.
I want to go get my hair cut.
Get it wet.
I'm gonna get my hair cut. I'm thinking about going to Crystal hairdresser. For real? She got crowded?
I seen Terry in the Family Dollar. I felt I wanted to buy my. I seen.
Maybe I should try Terry. She got a page?
Hey, honey, we have a birthday.
Woo! Happy birthday, dear. I'm watching you and I'm just like,
Thank you. All right, baby. You got it. Oh, I think I got it. Happy. Oh, there it goes. Shot. Oh, it's gonna be good and lit. Good and lit. Because whatever it was, I want another one. That was good. Well, we need to get home. That was good. She get in the bag.
Tasha said that shot was good, baby. We about to get four.
Gotta ask her what that was.
I don't know why she got
Hurry up and down there.
But she needs to stop
Cause
playing.
her name Carissa. We about to get four. Bring 4 more of those. So Tasha said she don't know what that was. You want some more muffins?
No.
You didn't like it? I thought you said the shrimp was the what them things good.
No, the good is good, but I don't want to continue to make it.
Could you bring 4 more of those? She said it was good.
They're gonna give us one drink and they're gonna do
Okay.
$18.
Thank you. Make it strong. Make it big. Make it big.
Y'all ready? Tasha said it was good. Let's see. Yeah, that was good. That was good.
The sun is shining. It is hot in Miami. Brunch with my girls. And that was so good because we had time to catch up. Y'all hear them talking trash right there? We had time to catch up and have a little girls talk. It was great. They don't care about me vlogging. They just be talking.
No, we really don't, because you got on this video.
I never. I can't even make a video, Lord. Oh, really? I need a tray for my bathroom shelf and my bathroom counters. I need some towels. It's time to buy towels, underwear, all that stuff. Throw out the old and bring in the new. This take you all the way over there by Biscayne, and we can look right down. We've looked down and seen it when we by Bayside. We used to go by Bayside. think this would be nice to put on our shelf? What you think? And put that snake plant in it? In our bathroom shelf? You think this would be nice? Or no? Kind of heavy too. It don't matter. It really does matter, baby. We need... Oh, what's this? Oh. I think we should get this. This is different, but it's not Snow White though. It looked like an off-white.
When you put water in there, you need to have like a something
drain.
that water.
I just love this shape. I really wish it was taller. You think that plant will fit though? I'm talking about the little one. Oh, this one is, sorry baby. This one is pretty too. But it's black, of course. That's what I've been looking for all day, like a You hungry? So you
If you guys have come this far in the vlog, thank you so much for watching. Honey Uninhibited was great. Definitely recommend that place. Samurai is always a good place to eat. Walmart, get there. They have a big clearance and the place is fully stocked. All right, good people. See you in the next one. Peace.